Recently, Sujin of Idol has been swept up in bullying accusations. Allegedly, she physically bullied a kid during her middle school years and made them an outcast. An anonymous person claimed online that their younger sibling and alleged victim attended the same middle school as Sujin and that it was quote unquote time to expose Idol Sujin's bullying. For the ease of understanding this video, let's call this person X. So, X claimed that all the people in the world needed to know and that they are sorry to all the other members of the group besides one person, but they couldn't ignore the pain their sibling suffered anymore. X said, quote, she would call my sibling and my sibling's friend to the bathroom and make them slap each other and would send group texts saying that my sibling is a loner. Her image on TV is disgusting. My sibling has a hard time daily whenever they hear a Idol song. I will post a more detailed explanation on an online community board. Since everything I am saying is true, I am not scared if they sue me. When Nevis demanded more proof, X responded, quote, the school violence related to Sujin is not misleading and I am the witness and the evidence. My anger won't wash away when I think about the people that don't know what Sujin did during school, unquote. X's sibling, let's call her Y, also posted an Insta story with a photo. Y claimed that Sujin usually stole other people's school uniforms and stole their money. Y also stated that she went around with older guys who rode motorcycles while drinking and smoking. Earlier, another netizen had posted Sujin's middle school yearbook album photo and revealed, quote, Sujin smelled of cigarettes every day and would go around with older guys and drink alcohol. She would say she was dizzy from drinking and her attitude and behavior in disregarding people was a big shock to me, unquote. They also stated that she would curse at her friends and would not return items after borrowing them. Cube Entertainment has stated that quote unquote we are aware of the controversy and currently checking the facts. Here are my thoughts on the situation. As a victim of bullying myself, I would always choose to believe the victim first. That being said, there is too little proof provided to believe anything. High school graduation pics don't prove anything. Unfortunately, with so many false accusations floating around, it's really hard to believe what's true and what's not. I have a neutral stance on this situation. I have always said that we don't know idols personally, nor do we know their past or how they act behind cameras. So I am not gonna blindly say it's fake. I just hope Cube releases an official statement soon and clears this whole situation up. Hello, this is Ishanti from Future. As I was editing this video, Cube decided to wake up and release an official statement. Hello, this is Cube Entertainment. After checking with Sujin about the posts that are being spread on the internet, she has confirmed that the victim's older sister did hear the two of them arguing over the phone. However, the other claims made by the victim's sister regarding school bullying has been confirmed as not true. We ask that the members who are moving forward step by step towards their dreams will not be hurt anymore. Going forward, we will be taking legal action against those that post false rumors for malicious purposes, and we will not take any preemptive action or leniency in punishment in the future. Cube Entertainment established the Artist Rights Protection Committee on December 15th of last year and has been continuously monitoring the distribution of false facts, insults, sexual harassment, etc., and is currently in the process of taking legal action. Once again, we would love to thank all of you who have supported and loved Idol. We at Cube will do our best to protect our artists with all of you. Yeah, I said I was neutral earlier, but now it looks like X just heard Y and Sujin arguing on the phone and decided to write a whole damn K-drama script out of it. I hate it when people do this. Because of X now, actual bullying victims will have a much harder time coming forward because no one will believe their story. Anyways, the only bully Sujin I know now is her.